the Mindanao area?
He's from Capiz.
Oh, Baptist. Oh, Visayas. And you, where are you from?
My mom is from Bacolod City.
Oh, Visayas. I'm from Cebu. Close by. Yeah, yeah. So pretty. You're so tall. Call Teresa dyan. Call Teresa ba? Do you wanna call her? Oh, she's dead.
Yeah, I don't know. Probably at the bottom.
They are doing a passenger for the Filipino designer. Those are the typical Filipino dresses and the formal dresses, like gowns when you go to a formal wear. Philippine, like you're going to a party. That's the typical Filipino formal wear. And the designer, he's here somewhere. He's a famous designer from Philippines. He designs for the beauty pageant sometimes, and the actors. He dresses up the actors, actresses from Philippines and other celebrities in Hollywood, I think. So, and that's like a gown, like our formal gown wear when we go to a formal festival or formal party. And that gown over there, she's wearing like the Philippine flag. That one over there with it's like a Philippine flag over there. The other girl, she's wearing like a gown, but it's to symbolize the Philippine flag. The one with red, white, and yellow. She's behind this girl with a crown.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You should take a picture. Filipino friends?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
New York.
Oh, New York. Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah. Yeah. How about other song? You know any of them?
Ayaw po ya.
What is it?
It's a long word.
Ah.
The birthday is maligayang kaarawan. It's so
Oh. Oh, look at her.
Look, she's a chicken.
Yeah.
joy.
You know what a papaya means? Do you know what papaya means? No, papaya is a fruit, tropical fruit. Nasaan yung ano? Ayan. They're going bye-bye. They're going shopping now.
Small is the best, you know?
Huh?
Small is the best. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Cebu, Philippines.
Oh, it's small is the best. Bring your kids.
Oh yeah, my daughter, she already went to the university. Columbia.
Yes. Yes. Alright, thanks.
Oh, so it's...
Glad you like the book, right?
No, oh my God, she's Nasaan yung ano designer nito? Ito? Joke lang. Sino yung designer nila? Ha? Cedra? Wala dito. Umalis na. Ay, yun siguro. Yun. Yun. Yung naka-blue. Umalis siya. May microphone. Joke. Kaya nakita ko siya sa ano eh. Sa
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, nice job. Hi po. Introduce yourself. This is the designer, guys.
Hello.
Of all of
Carl
these
Andrada.
guys. Yeah. I like the gown with the Philippine flag.
Thank you po.
Where you from? Sa atin kuya?
Copies. Visayas.
Guys, this is the designer.
Alive.
Mr.
Carl
Hindi
Andrada
nila.
po.
Yeah. Very famous. Okay, thank you po kuya. Hindi ko magpa-picture sa kanya. Yung designer. Picture ako. Eh, sadali. Pagkatapos na ito. Kuya, pwede tayo magpa-picture, kuya? Pwede tayo magpa-picture? Ah, ganito pala. Isa pa natin ganito. Eh, ganito natin. Ah, ganun. Yeah. Lagay natin sa YouTube. Thank you. Okay. Bisaya. Bisaya ako.
19
Taga Cebu. Taga Cebu mo ko. Bisa.
Ilonggo.
Oh,
Pero nakitindi mo.
Oh, yeah.
Oo.
Oh, ikaw din?
Bacolod, Iloilo. Sa ano? Sa din? Ay, Iloilo. Sa Capiz.
Ay, nakatawa pala ako. Malaki yung isip ko ay. Na-excite. Malaki pala yung isip ko doon. Pero meron namang ibang lugar. Ganda ng ano no? Mga gawa niya. I like this. Hanap ako niyang ganyan para sa ano, yung pamana ba? Yung daughter ko siya yung pamana sa Boston. Pero tapos na yung coronation. Pwede pala.
Mind if I take a photo of the three? Just the three of you, please. Just a photo real quick.
Yeah.
Wow, 3, 2,
Oh, hindi na ako pwede.
very nice. Thank you.
Puno na pala to. Ilaw, no? Ganda niya. Ay, sorry po. Babayan mo, te.
Ha?
Babayan mo?
Sino?
Yung designer? Ilonggo ka? Oo, taga ano siya? Hindi siya pakulod. Kapis ka?
Ito siya.
Sa ibang ano, asan sa Mindanao? Ha? Okay. Malapit na yung puntan sa Kadarat sa ano? Davao? You have to go by Davao, right? Davao Airport. Jensen? Dito tayo kasi sa ano tayo. Ang liit natin eh. Ang liit natin, hindi tayo makikita dyan. Dito tayo. Ang ganda na naka-purple, no? She's so pretty. Yung naka-purple sa gitna. I have picture on most of them earlier. Nasa likod nila kayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the FIA models. And ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Mr. Carl Greta.
Once again, please give a big hand for Mr. Carl Andrada and the FIA Models. Fiesta in America proudly acknowledge the incredible models who are making this year's fashion show an
Extraordinary
extraordinary
event.
event.
Laura Carlson,
We have Shara Lubera,
Lani Canina Giardinato,
Ana Lu Pedrosa.
Francesca Broadley,
We have Helmita Ron Dalmatia,
Lior De Los Santos.
Kate Perez,
We also have Leilani Drew Brown,
Ira Yokson,
Abba Kataka,
Ariel Otero,
Tyron Newcomb,
John Andrada,
Ramona Capacini,
Rebecca
Rocky Amiel, Zion Lagu, Rex Antonio, Ian Oguru,
sumunod ka sa kanya, papunta na lang doon para mag-usap kayo sa
Opo. Ano po?
And this is Helen Castillo.
Picture na po.
Parehong Castillo.
Picture. Cheese! Dated na.
Sige, sige.
Uy, kuya, pag you need a model.
Nickelodeon po. Pag nandito pa naman kami.
You need a model.
Thank you.
You need a model. Sa akin mo yung anak ko.
Just email mo po.
Ay, email ko. May gaming card ka?
Let's keep in touch. I know. Yan, dyan na kaya namin.
Ang picture. Ay, sige, sandali. After you're done. Tama ko.